Inducting Editing Sunday, episode number 3. Hello guys, welcome back to Kuindu Introduce Tech YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a game using MR level editor app and how to save it and play it. Let's go to the video. First you need to go Play Store and click the search button. Search MR. So level editor. Then this app. I already installed it, and you need to open this app and create a Titanium, and there are few brushes and you can add mountains using this brush. You can make those brushes amount and size. I'm adding a few mountains. This brush is make those are too long. Make those shorter. And I'm adding mountains. This brushes amount. Now it's perfect. Make some places higher than other places because that's a reality looking like mountain. And you can zoom using your fingers, and you can rotate using your double fingers tap. I added mountains and I'm paint those. I'm choose brush and color my mountains. Looks like a real mountains. Those colors looks like rocks. My coloring was done. I'm adding a road for my world. You can see I'm adding it. You can add any road like as you like. I added few roads to my world, and my world's roads was done, and you can add trees for your world. I am adding trees for my world. I'm making a jungle. Then the jungle need more trees. You can add trees. You need to add trees for your world. Then you need to go objects tab and choose nature tab, and they showing trees. The different kind trees are there, and you need to click the trees type you want. I am adding trees like that. Then you can see I'm over my world. This is my done world, and you need to click avatar and add avatar. Avatar is the player here. And my avatar was and you can add weapons to your world. I couldn't adding weapons. Today I'm going adding vehicles for my world. I added 2 vehicles to show you, and you need to add a photo for your world, and I'm saving it to Kino file. Then you can play it. This is my world. It's look like a reality world. This is my added vehicle, and you can see it. This vehicle was perfectly look like an army vehicle, and there are another vehicle. This is the Jeep, black color Jeep, and you can see there are mountains around me, and my trees was look like perfectly jungle, and you trying to go out the world, but you can't because I added mountains to that. Then you can only go in your world, but you can't skip your world because this world is covered by using my mountains. Then see, you can't go out because I added mountains. Only way you can win this game, you need to go in more than in a uh, and my avatar is very good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us, like, comment and share. Don't forget to click bell icon.